Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is future me here. This is currently November of 2020, but I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that this vlog is going to be a compilation of my first couple months as a new real estate agent. This is going to go back from June 2020 to August 2020. I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Guys, so I'm running a little bit late, I think, on my way to shoot some media stuff for my launch campaign that I'm launching next week, hopefully, if all goes well. So I'm shooting a quick agent introduction video and a couple media stuff. I feel pretty good about it. Actually, I'm gonna wing it because I really don't have a plan as to what kind of a video or what I'm gonna say, so I'm just gonna wing it. You guys are gonna come along with me. I'm wearing just this shirt and a skirt and my heels. So we're just gonna go to the model home, or one of the model homes, because they have different section neighborhoods. Let's go. Hi guys, so I'm actually doing some content for my social media in this gorgeous model home, and I wanted to show it to you guys. How do I flip this? Okay, so here it is. Wow, like this is gorgeous. Home definitely gives me very vintage yet like modern vibes, like very light tones. The mirrors here, very 80s. Then the gorgeous kitchen.
If you're watching this, it's probably because you either need to buy, sell, or invest in a property in the future.
Hi guys, I know it's been a while. It's been a really crazy couple of weeks, but last time I was vlogging, I got my first buyer lead. I'm helping them buy a house. They are relocating from Puerto Rico, so I'm helping them out. And today, this week, I've been cold calling a lot of for sale by owners and expired listings, and I actually set 3 appointments. One of them canceled, or it's still being rescheduled, or you know, it's in the works. I'm actually on my way to my first listing appointment. It's at 7:30. It's 5:36. I'm gonna stop home, get all the paperwork ready, because I didn't even have a chance to. This is a crazy story. I'll explain later. But I haven't even prepared anything. I mean, I did the CMA earlier because I knew she would have called me back. Point is, I'm on my way home to prepare all the paperwork and then head to the listing appointment. So I'm very excited, and I have another appointment next week on Wednesday, and there's gonna be more because I'm going to keep working my off to do this. So yeah, let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of my home buying series, which is to partner with an agent. Hi everyone, welcome to our episode for the home buying process. Hello everyone, welcome back. We're on our way to an open house right now that I'm hosting. This open house, it's not for my listing. This is for sale by owner developers that I've been meeting with here and there, and I decided to host this open house for one of their listings. So that's where we're heading to today. We've got some signs in the back, flyers, everything. But before we get there, I'm going to grab some breakfast because I'm starving, and I'm gonna take some snacks with me over there as well. And then after that, we have a showing that I'm doing for my friend who's out of town, so I'll be doing that showing as well, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. So I am at the open house right now. Sorry I couldn't film earlier. I just put some signs out and just came inside, turned on all of the lights, have everything set up right there in the back with snacks. And now I'm just sitting here on my computer. This home is really unique because it's recently renovated and everything has been upgraded. It's a really charming like bungalow in like Seminole Heights, Tampa area. The Hillsborough River is like right on the street here. But this home has like, those are not my speakers. Those are like integrated speakers that come with the house. So it's really cool. So I just have some music playing. My favorite open house playlist is like beach instrumentals kind of thing. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys around this property. It has, the design is just seriously impeccable and modern, but like, I don't know, it's so cute. So I'll show you guys in a second once I like get set up here. Look at my cute realtor map. Love it. We just got another listing. I'm in shock! So much work! And I did it! Oh my god! So I'm currently on my new listing. We're doing a photo shoot. I'm waiting for the photographer. And I wanted to show you guys this really awesome house. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've decided to do a quick day in the life. Today is Thursday, September 3rd, and it's currently 7:18 in the morning. I just made it to the office and I have a couple things that I need to get done before I have a training today, which is going to be really good. It's going to be from 9 to 3, so it's going to be pretty much my entire day. I have to do some work before that. My new listing went up yesterday for sale officially, so I have to do some marketing for that, and then I'm going to, if weather allows it, I have to go door knock some of the neighbors today in the evening. So that's pretty much the plan for today. Nothing too exciting, but still wanted to bring you guys along with me. This is where I work from a lot of the time. This is called the launch pad. It's where the rookies or the newbies come to work, the new agents that are in the launch program, coaching program, which is like your first 4 transactions. And then over here we have like our board with all of the new agents, and I am here. Is that? Yep, I'm right there. I have 2 listings right now, and working with a couple buyers as well, but I haven't gotten my buyers under contract yet. So yeah, I think that's all I needed to say. So now I need to get started on some work. You want it, you got it. You want it.
not hate, it's nice.
Hey guys, so we're here for our training. This is so cute. See? Listing competition.
Can't touch this.
I'm done. While everyone gets here, let's go talk to people. Hey Scott. You want to say hi to the YouTube channel?
Hi YouTube channel.
This is Scott. This is our training director, right?
Yes,
He's my coach right now.
and she's doing awesome. She listens.
So, I just got news that my listing got updated because I had trouble with it because I posted it. Like it said that it had more days on the market than it actually has. So now they just updated, so that's great news. So I was concerned about that.
They are not all the same. I mean, for every 10 listings you get, there's about 5 kinds of listings in there. You need to learn how to communicate with all of them, and it is definitely different. Then you need to learn personalities. You might have a loud, obnoxious person like me. You might have a friendly, gregarious person like Dino. You may have Jonathan who's very serious when you put the facts out, you better put them out right or he's going to catch you on it or whatever. So you need to learn the different personalities.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. Thanks again for being so patient and for following me along for this journey. I'm so excited to be here. And for more daily updates and to follow me around on the daily basis, be sure to follow me on my social media at Julieniz Báez and at Julieniz_Realtor for my real estate page. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!